Okay, lawn fans, are you ready? So, we're creeping up on July the 4th, and for me, that's my Super Bowl of the lawn days, July the 4th. I try to make my lawn peak the best that it's gonna look all season long on July the 4th. Well, this year, I've had a lot of trouble. Everybody's had a lot of trouble. Here in Northwest Georgia, we've had an ungodly amount of rain. Rain, 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 day after day after day, never a break. But despite all of that, still looking good. I have had some issues with dollar spot, and that's because of all the rain and the moisture sitting on the lawn overnight. We are now about to finally hit temperatures in the 90s, and the humidity's on the rise. Temperature at night's going to be in the 70s, low 70s, and that's what Bermuda loves to grow. Today I cut, it'd been 2 days since I cut before, and I took a basket and a half off this. I cut my neighbor's and I took 3/4 of a basket off of his. That's a lot of grass for right now, so it's growing. So I don't need to put any fertilizer out here. Now I'll tell you what I did do. A couple weeks ago or a week ago, I did come out here. It was time, according to my calendar, to put out a fertilizer. I put this out, and maybe an hour later, a downpour just came out of nowhere. And I was worried that I had washout of all that fertilizer I just put out. So I put out some more fertilizer the following day, not a full application, maybe a quarter of an application of what I normally do. And I put that out here. And it seems to be paying off with the rain we're getting. I believe it did drive it down, that fertilizer down into the ground. I put some micronutrients down on it. So what am I gonna do between now and July the 4th? I'm gonna maintain the course that I've been doing. I'm going to be cutting this routinely with a sharp blade on a reel mower. That's R-E-E-L. And then on the backyard, I'm going to keep cutting it with a sharp blade on a rotary mower, and that's the Zoysia out back. It's looking pretty good for right now, so I'll keep doing that. I'm going to maintain the water at 1 inch per week. I don't need to over water this right now because it has been watered with rain here for a while now. Now, if you look at this putting green, look at that fringe area right there. How beautiful does that look? Now, this putting green is just dying to have some heat, which it's going to get this week. As soon as that heat hits that thing and it doesn't drop back down into the 60s overnight, that thing's going to fill in and be nice and green. It's going to be beautiful. So, if you take a look there, but this main part of the lawn right here, the front lawn, I don't really need to do anything to it besides make sure that I continuously cut it with a sharp blade. And I'm probably going to cut, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I'm probably going to start cutting every day until July the 4th. And that's just because I want it to look the best it's going to look all season on that day. Now I'm going to take you guys out back here and I'm going to show you the Zoysia. And y'all, this is my redheaded stepchild. And it actually looks better than the front yard. I'm not gonna shit you. Sun's in right now, cloud cover, and it's 6 something in the evening. But look at that. That's with the rotary mower, my stepchild's rotary mower, bagging it. And she looks pretty good. She just loves this humidity. She loves humidity that comes with all this rain. That 2704, about a month and a half ago, I put a, I can't remember. It came from a big box store, and I cannot remember, but it's pretty much straight up nitrogen. I put that out there. So, of course, yeah, it loved that. But that Zoysia, I've learned it's a matter of water and feeding. Water and feeding. And it is prone to getting fungus. So I put a few fungus applications out there. But June the 20th, there's where we're at. I'm pretty pleased right now, as long as no major fungus comes in, and I've done a preventative treatment out here with a 3336. So I'm hoping to contain what dollar spot is out here right now and to cure that and then prevent any future dollar spot from coming in on it. But that's it. Bermuda Brian out.